how to restore deleted photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so if you want to restore accidentally deleted photos, so click on menu and click on trash. So you will see your accidentally photos is showing on your trash. So if you want to restore, so click on select. So after click on select photos from here. So after select photos, click on restore. So after click on restore, your picture is go to your folder and showing on your folder. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore deleted accidentally photos on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.